Well, I'm going to have a quick tutorial today just to show you a simple idea of how to transform this toilet roll holder into a nice little gift box. So the first thing that you're going to need to do to be able to do this is to measure your toilet roll, because we're going to be using wrapping paper or gift wrap to be able to cover the outside of this. And the size that you actually need for your gift wrap is 15 centimeters long by 11 centimeters wide. So that's the size of my gift wrap that I'm going to use. The next thing that I'm going to do is to turn over my gift wrap so it's face down, and then just use one of these glue sticks and simply put glue all over this and roll it up as I'm going along, gluing and rolling until I've got all the way to the end. I do like to have my gift wrap slightly bigger at the edges because it gives me the option of just turning it in a little bit so I don't get a raw edge. So this cut edge here doesn't stick out. So once you've glued this all in place, then just leave it for an hour or so to dry. It's never a good idea to actually try and bend something that's been glued down while it's still wet. So once your glue is dry, you're going to simply take your toilet roll and you're going to press it down with your thumb. You'll find that it just curves in quite naturally on its own. Push it down like so with your thumb and it makes a really nice little pouch. And then you're going to need about 40 centimeters of ribbon to be able to wrap around your little gift box and make a nice bow. And this you can do very easily. I'm not the best bow maker in the world, so forgive me if mine doesn't turn out nicely. I normally have to do them 2 or 3 times, but there we go. Nice little bow, 3 little gift boxes made with very little materials, and nice to be able to put a small gift in for somebody, or even just, you know, for things like party favors or wedding favors, easy to decorate. So this is the method that you would use if you are going to glue wrapping paper onto the outside of the toilet wrap. Please do watch the other video that I'm going to be making on how to actually make a little pouch holder like this, but using a transparent paper like a tissue paper, a serviette, or perhaps mulberry paper. It is a slightly different technique to get a good result. Okay, bye for now.